In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the HubSpot mobile app has changed. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, I'm your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative, bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to the channel and get instant notification to all the happy HubSpotting happening here. Whew, those H's. Make sure you hit the bell as well. Stick around to the end of the video where I share my favorite thing about the HubSpot mobile app. Look, every now and again you need a refresh. Some of us may have even got a nip and tuck here and there. Mobile applications are no different. They need love as well. So the HubSpot mobile app got a makeover. Now, I know you might be new to the HubSpot landscape, so you might not even know there was an app for your HubSpot usage. With that said, you might be wondering, what is it and what can I do with the HubSpot mobile app? With the HubSpot mobile app, you can do HubSpot work from anywhere, manage deals, contacts, send emails, tasks, track, and more. To be effective on the go, the mobile app's features need to be quick and easy to find and functional, no matter what situation you find yourself in. Because of these needs, HubSpot has added 2 improvements to your app that check both of those boxes. With a new HubSpot app navigation architecture, it's easier to discover all the app's awesome features. Make sure you check out all the features and create your own amazing mobile app process when dealing with HubSpot. With a fresh new color scheme that's highly contrasted, the app looks sharper when used outdoors and in poor visibility. As an added bonus, it's more consistent with the desktop design. Look, consistency is key, folks. So, curious, want the full scope? Well, then let's dive in. First, make sure you update your mobile app or download it for the first time on iOS or Android. You need to have the app to be able to see what changed. Once inside the app, if you have more than 5 items on your navigational bar, you'll see a More button that would serve as an overflow. Some other specific changes per each platform are: on iOS, Activity Feed and Tasks now have their own tab items and don't live in the digest. Conversations is now a tabbed item. Marketing email now lives under the More button for those who have access, and the digest now lives under the More button and consists of deal updates and marketing reporting widgets. Also, settings now lives under the More button as well. So you might be thinking, but George, I'm Android. Cool, they've got you covered as well. Conversations is now a tab item, and Settings now lives under the More button on Android devices. The freshly redesigned HubSpot mobile app is now available to all HubSpot accounts, so go download it on iOS or Android now. So you stuck around, so let's talk about my favorite part of the HubSpot app. I love that Conversations is part of the app. I really enjoy the way that it makes it easy to talk to our web visitors no matter where I'm at. Heck, I can even look back on closed conversations to diagnose how well I communicated and what I might change in the future. I like that I can easily see all conversations as well as ones assigned to me and even unassigned conversations. Make sure you download the app and check out the in-app conversations tool. Hey, did you like this video? Want to get tutorials like this right in your inbox? Then check the description below and sign up for our special Sprocket Talk only list. Head over to our private Sprocket Talk Facebook group for more education and a community of other HubSpot users on a journey to master this thing we call HubSpot. Make sure you hit the likes and subscribes, everything, so that we know that you're part of the community. The bell. And last but not least, if you need training past this tutorial, check the description below and learn more about our 1- and 2-day on-location HubSpot sales and marketing workshops. Until next time, this is your boy George B. Thomas saying download the app, check it out, check out all the functionality, create your own HubSpot mobile process, and while you're doing that, make sure you do some happy HubSpotting.